Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to tell you about file dialogs. So first of all I have to import Tkinter, so I will write from Tkinter import star, and now I have to import file dialog from Tkinter. So I will write from Tkinter import file dialog, and root equals tk, and after leaving some lines root dot main loop. So now to create a file dialog, I will write fd. Fd is the variable name. So fd equals file dialog dot, and here you guys can see there are many types of file dialog. For example, ask directory, ask file name, etc, etc. But I will choose ask open file. Now in the empty parentheses I will write title equals, in the double quotation marks, choose a file, and now we can define file types. So there are two file types for in my case. So I will write png files in the double quotation marks, and after that again double quotation marks, and I will write png files. Let's capitalize it. Now you guys can see here that in one parenthesis I have defined one type of file. So put a comma and empty parenthesis, and in the next empty parenthesis I will define jpg files. So in the double quotation marks I will write .jpg, and after a comma I will write in the double quotation marks jpeg files, and when I hit run, now you guys can see here the title is choose a file. So when I hit run, you guys can see here that the title of the window is choose a file. Let me zoom for you guys. Here you guys can see choose a file, and here you guys can see the type of files, .png and .jpg files. So now our file dialog box is created. So now let's add more functions to this file dialog. Like I want to know the directory in which my png or jpg file is stored. So I will make a new label, and in the empty parentheses I will write text equals fd, and font equals, in the double quotation marks, calibri, and size can be 40. And now let's pack this label in our window. And now I want my image to appear in my window. So for that you have to import pillow, but first of all you have to install pillow. So open your terminal and write pip install pillow. It will not work for me as I am using Mac, or there is some fault with my PC, so it may work for you. Go ahead and press enter. It will take about 10 to 15 seconds. Now the installation has been completed. Let's write here from pill import image tk and image. Now here you have to make another variable which will be img equals image tk, in the empty parentheses image, and here you have to write dot photo image, and here you have to write dot open, and in the empty parentheses you have to write FD. Now you have to add this image in a label. So create another label and in the empty parentheses you have to write image equals img, and after that pack this label in your window. Run the code and select an image or file. You can see here this disappears for me, but it should be working for you guys. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.